Alright, got an 08 Nissan Altima right here. And the belt is started. The belt started to peel a little bit on the side. So I will be replacing that. We'll get them ready. Right here, releasing the 10 snare belt. Take it out. You can see. Come on. Right here. It is off the pulley. Released. And then. Alright, so you guys are wondering why is this belt being replaced. When you check the belt, you shouldn't see any of those things in the belt. I mean, the belt is down there done. And you could be driving when the belt is in a very bad condition. It will just slide off the pulley and your car will shut off. The battery will die and the steering wheel will get hard. It depends what kind of car you have. The majority of the cars will be like that because it has a power steering thing right here. But let's go and replace the new one right here. See, brand new. None of the little peel, none of that on the new belt. So let's get it on. Brand new belt is on. About to start the car right now. Come on. This is the old belt. Right here with all the damage in it. As y'all can see. Go ahead and start the car. This is no squeaky noise or nothing. Okay, running smooth. Yes, sir. Another day at a class show. Get them running.